No, you go.
You go upstairs.
No! Go!
Go.
Hey!
Go.
You're not going to yell at me and get away with it, Nicholas.
Go. Go too much in the room. Go to out in your room. Good time.
Go to your room.
Go time out to your room.
Alright, you can do timeout on the steps, but if you're the next time you're being bad and yelling and being mean, you're going to your room.
You're in big trouble, Nicholas. Go to your room. Or the steps.